Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Somebody did what I do in my other episodes, how to create upcycle puppets, and they took a they took a stuffed animal and gutted it, and then put it on a baby doll. But that's what this is. It's a it's a stuffed animal outfit for a baby doll. Oh my goodness, that's a riot. I thought maybe it was something that is like a company had made special for this, where it was like, but this is pretty creepy. And they put this little band on it to keep it on, but that's pretty much what this is. Oh my goodness. They didn't even bother to leave the arms on. Look, it's one of those dolls that you that you create your own doll out of it, I guess. And so they took the doll body. Oh my goodness, this is weird. And it's got a. That is the most bizarre thing I think I've ever seen. They really they put pants on it. They put like baby pants on the bottom, and they actually did. They took a stuffed animal and turned it into a baby outfit for this little baby doll. That is really different. I guess if you watch some of my shows, not so different, but that's pretty funny. And then last but not least, you ready for it? Here he is, the Christmas, what that is, the Christmas, Merry Christmas Sock Monkey Peppermint Candy Canes. Not a chance, not touching those things. But the sock monkey's not so bad. It's a little reindeer sock monkey, so maybe at Christmas time. But here it is, the Christmas sock monkey, the creepy baby duckling outfit. The hot air balloon, the boots, the swiper, and my favorite, right there, Plex. So here we go. Thanks again, guys, for coming along. For those of you who have been with us on this journey before, thanks for coming back. For those of you new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. And I want to thank you for coming along. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye now.